Okay, trying a new method of recording. I hope this works. Okay, so what I did was, you're right, you couldn't see when you were in your course. So you actually toggle, when you're on the assignments tab, you toggle between courses right here. So the problem was is that you just had this on here and there were no courses, or actually you had select a course. So it was automatically defaulting now. So you didn't see a course. Now when I go in here, I do see that you have week one, and it looks like you pulled from chapter 3 mastery assignments, which are the more comprehensive assignments, like completely fine. So all of this is fine. I don't know if you did any of the the options. I don't know if you got that in what I covered on some of the other videos. But there are all kinds of different assignment options here, and you publish them once you complete those. So you're on the right track as far as adding assignments. If you want to continue to add assignments to that one here, you would just again go to create an assignment, homework, and then pull from the test bank or pull from the content banks that you pulled from the chapter 3 mastery, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe not, maybe the end of chapter master. Yeah, I think you pulled from the later end of chapter in chapter 3, which is fine. I just wanted to let you know exactly what you did. So that's fine if you want to continue keeping with that one, but I've also loaded the 2 other courses in here for you. The templates, which actually encompasses all of the problem types, and I'll show you that now. So if you want to use these, that's fine. I can delete that, but if you want to delete it, all you have to do is click here, go to archive, and it'll get rid of it. But let me just show you what I've done here. These 2 courses are exactly the same. This one has 1 through 10, and then this one is 13 to 22 with no 15 and 16. Now, if I go to my assignments tab here, I will be able to toggle to one of those courses. For example, these 2 are exactly alike. And I see now I have problem. Oop, I got to get rid of that one, don't I? This chapter 28. Let's get rid of that. Delete. So essentially, I have now from page 1 to 2, chapters 1 through 10, and then it has all the problem types. So the study plan is in there, which is just something for students. This is not graded or anything. And we have the preparation, class prep, application, mastery. So again, it's before class, homework, which is the end of chapter, mastery, which is more comprehensive. If you want to click in anything and there's anything you want to get rid of, you can actually just click here and delete. If you want to click edit individual assignments, for example, you'd find the assignment, go to edit, and then you could actually just delete straight from here as well. Unassign, you click and then go unassign. Again, this is all created by our product team according to, just they're taking into account just giving all kinds of questions, a comprehensive kind of model for each of the courses or for the book, as if I would say that instead. Now I'm happy to set your available dates. If you want everyone to be able to work ahead, everything can be available the same day. But if you want me to actually set due dates, I'm absolutely happy to do that. There's no due date set right now. It's just the close date. You could do it just by going to edit, and then you go up here to the when the date populates right up here, you can just click that for the available and due date. Again, if you want to give me a list of which chapter, if you want to use this template, which chapters would be due when, I'm happy to go in and do it for you. And again, let's see. So you have the courses tab, and you have, these are 2 identical. And then this one is the 13 to 22 with no 15 and 16. So again, you can edit everything, all the assignments from the assignment tab. Just make sure you're on the correct course that you want to be on, but let me know what I can do for you. So for instance, if you don't want the study plan, the test prep, and the mastery, I can get rid of all of it. But I want to just give you an idea of what's happening here and how to utilize it, but you are on track. So if you have students that have enrolled in this, that's fine. If you're going to use one of these other classes instead, just let me know so that I can take them out. And if they've put in an access code, I can reactivate the access code. So if you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this will be a good start. We can get on a Zoom call tomorrow if you'd like, or I can just keep creating more videos according to your questions. Hopefully this was helping a little bit with some clarity. Okay, have a great evening.